IPMAT Indore exam dates are already out and the exam is going to be conducted on 23rd of May. Are you fully prepared to crack this exam and join the most elite colleges in India? With just 125 days remaining for the exam, you need a training program which is very rigorous and has a proven success rate. iQuanta is going to launch its IPMAT 2024 crash course, and this batch created a great impact last year where 11 out of 50 students got IM calls and many others cleared top BBA exams in India like SET, NPAT and others. This crash course is a rigorous preparation batch where we will be having daily classes of 5 to 6 hours, and we'll make sure that most of your practice part is taken care of in the classes itself. Usually non-math students face a lot of difficulty while preparing the quantitative aptitude part of IPMAT. So here we'll be learning concepts on the very basics. For the practice part, you will be getting 5000 plus IPMAT relevant problems which will be there with a 24/7 doubt clarification support and lot of marathons which will also be recorded so that you can watch them again as well. To join the iQuanta IPMAT crash course, visit our website iQuanta.in/IPMAT, and you can always call us if you have any query related to the course.